So I'll be shooting the RAV4 and ayun siya guys. Yan. Actually ang RAV4 very rare nagkakaroon ng supply dito sa Pinas. So dediretsuhin ko na kayo. Ang isasuggest ko agad sa inyo is any color or kailangan meron kayong first and second choice color. Sobrang rare na magka-supply sa Pinas. And by the way, for this month, meron kami sobrang laking discount. Ang discount natin right now is 300,000. Imagine that. 300,000 for the base variant ng RAV4. So, iba ang discount ng top of the line, ha? Pero the base variant, 300,000 discount. Okay? Ang may supply ngayon for this month of October is the RAV4 XLE. That's the base variant. So, hindi ko na papatagalin. Of course, puntahan agad natin yung unit. So, like I mentioned, guys, actually may banner pa dito. Says there, 300,000 discount. So, of course, like my old vlogs, hindi ko papatagalin. Pasok agad tayo. I'll begin at the side mirror. So, sa side mirror niya, meron siyang integrated signal light. At the side, HEV badge na wala tayong coding. And smart entry, of course. This one. Right? Let's go inside. So, simulan agad natin. By the way, pakita ko lang yung door panel. Right? Meron siyang silver accent there. Yeah. And ito yung fold ng side mirrors. There. Of course. Then, unfold. Ito yung cursor to adjust the side mirrors. Then, dito ka magse-select kung yung left na side mirror ang i-adjust mo or yung right. Then, of course, the panel. Control panel for the windows. Central lock na windows. Unlock all doors and lock all doors. And below is cup holder. Extended siya. And speaker, of course. By the way, itong speaker na to is meron siyang embossed there na RAV4 engraved. So, going to the seats, and ang seats nito is manual adjust. So, sa top of the line yung power seat adjust. Alright? Mamaya ko na-discuss yung difference sila. By the way, ang difference itong dalawa between the top of the line is 310,000. Alright? So, before I go to the steering wheel, discuss ko lang to. And dito is the auto high beam. This one is the power tailgate. So, you can control the power tailgate by pushing this one. And you can also close it. And under is this pang open ng gas and the hood. Alright? So, yan. Let's go inside. Oh. So, let me show you the steering wheel. So, yan design ng steering wheel niya, guys, ha. Alright? So, dito, meron tayong cursor, of course. Ito yung pang-navigate na multi-information display there. Right? So, back button, up, down, left, right. Then, ito yung enter para do sa choices sa multi-information display. Then, volume control, voice command, emblem, of course, nandito yung busina, silver accent. Nice. Cruise control, lane departure monitoring, sensor, mode. Itong mode, this one is the shortcut dito. So, every time you push this, sa-cycle ka between AM, FM, FM2, Bluetooth, or Apple or Android connectivity. So, ito yung pang-skip ng song. Yan. And even the radio station. So, yan. Moving on. Alright. So, ito nakita nyo, ito naiikot to. Alright. Same goes at the other side. So, dual temperature to. Then, ito yung thermostat button front defogger, rear defogger, eco, heat or cool, fan blower. Ito kung saan nakatutok yung hangin. So yan, pwede rin yun sa paa nyo, mahanginan ng aircon. Air circulation sa cabin. Then this one is the aircon vent para sa second row. Then under is the traction button. Alright. Then dito below is the classic power supply. Yan. See that? Yan yung classic. Dati kasi lighter yan eh. Then USB connectivity. This one is the charger. Wireless charger. Right? Kita niyo yung phone ko. Okay. Yan. Then moving down is the... By the way, itong wireless charger na to, meron siya on-off You know. Very small lang yung button. So by the way, yan yung design ng shift knob niya. Ganda. And itong mga buttons na to are electronic parking brake, then brake hold assist. So ang dami kong vlog describing this brake hold assist. And this one is the eco mode, normal, or sport mode. By the way, ito, yun na nga given, this one is hybrid. Then mag-i-eco ka pa, grabe, sobrang tipid na nito sa gas. Yan. Then sport mode, dito sa sport mode, mas magiging aggressive yung engine. Alright? Mapansin mo yan, every time you step on the accelerator, mas aggressive siya. Then this below is the EV mode. So pwedeng mag full electric mode tong unit mo. Pero unfortunately, hindi siya papayag mag full electric kapag ka mababa yung battery level. Alright? Below is the cup holder. Ganda. Para may honeycomb design siya. Then, ito, push to. Nandito yung push para mabuksan yan. Alright? Malaki din. Then, dito, merong additional power supply. Kita nyo? Yan. Okay. So, dalawa yung power supply na classic. Alright? So, moving dito sa passenger seat. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba yung seat design niya? So, fabric design siya. Hindi siya naka-leather seats. Ang naka-leather seats is yung top of the line. Yeah. So, ito yung glove compartment niya. Ang ganda. Aside from this glove compartment, meron dito yung lagayan. Yan. Alright. Very nice. So, headliner naman tayo. Dito sa driver's side is, of course, meron tayong mirror. Then, every time you open this mirror, iilaw din to. Okay? So, ano yung mga function natin? By the way, hindi to napupush ha. So, ito yung function niya para pailawin yan dalawa. Okay? So, meron door function and lit. Pag finish mo to, dalawang ilaw yung iilaw. At tayo lagay ng sunglasses, reading glass. And same goes sa passenger side. Right? And mirror. Hindi na nakakabit yung standard battery kaya hindi siya umilaw. Okay? So, RAV4, 300,000 discount. This October 2025. Right? So, almost forgot. Bali, nandito yung sensor ng lane monitoring niya. And by the way, itong rear view mirror na to is auto. Meron siyang auto. So, the classic rear view mirror kasi meron lever yan dito under. Pero ito, comes with the auto. Alright. Let's go to the second row. Second row. So, unahin ko agad yung second row aircon vent. Nice. Being the RAV4, meron tayong second row aircon vent. Yan. Then, aside from this aircon vent, meron tayong power supply under. Both of these are Type-C charging port. Ganda. So, yan. Meron pa rin lagayan ng files here, of course. Yan. So, this is the design of the second row. Very nice. Kasya tatlo. And meron retractable here na armrest with cup holders. Also fabric finish. 3 headrest. Right? So same goes the design for the door panel. So unfortunately hindi ko mapapakita yung tailgate just because hindi nga nakakabit yung battery. So nandito ako sa second row just to show you this. Yan. So ayun yung cabin. Meron tong tonneau cover, this one. Yan. Ang purpose nito is just to cover what's inside this cabin para hindi naman siya mapag-interesan ng mga taong dumadaan dyan. So yan kung narinig nyo yung mga basag salamin. So, yan. By the way, merong additional power supply here. Yung classic power supply, yung bilog. Then, nandito rin yung spare tire. Right? Dilim lang So, let's go to the exterior. So, of course, being the RAV4, even though base variant to, meron siyang fog lights, of course. Then, front sensor. So, both sides yan. So, yan yung design ng headlight niya. Very nice. And the grille design. Okay. Yan, pakita ko yung chin niya. Right? Nice. So, ito yung na-mention ko. Front sensor. Right? So, ito yung design ng mugs niya. Okay? This is 17 inches. So, sa akin, I prefer this one, the classic look, instead of the two-tone design. Yun na nga, the word, classic look. Mas maganda Pang tito yung dating So, yan. Ayan, kita niyo yung gulong niya. Nice. 17 inches. Right. So, meron ditong, yan. This one is plastic. Yan. Para siyang body kit. Pero wala, color black siya. Okay. So, pakita ko yung design ng tail light niya. Ganda. So, yan, design ng tail light niya. Isa pa. Of course, the Toyota emblem. Okay. And, being the RAV4 XLE, meron tayong 4 na sensor. Of course. Reflector. Dual exhaust. Of course, see that? The other side. And, like I mentioned, 4 yung backing sensors niya. Right? So, it's the RAV4 badge. Whoa. Hybrid. Nice. So, meron tong third stop lamp. This one. And the shark fin. Okay. So, ganda na pagka-integrate nitong spoiler niya. Right. So, ikutan ko pa isa para ma-visualize nyo siya. Okay. So, that's the RAV4 XLE base variant. 300,000 discount. This month lang to, guys. Take advantage. So again, guys, most of the brands tinatanggap namin for trade-in. Very ideal, dalhin nyo yung unit nyo. Hindi kasi accurate yung bibigay namin kung text-text lang or chat. Mas gusto ng appraisers, dalhin nyo yung unit dito para makita yung actual condition, then final price yung mabibigay namin. Versus kung bibigyan mo lang ako detail, at least final. Hindi ko muna nilalagay dito yung price because anytime pwede magkaroon ng price increase. Ayan dyan sa mga ano natin, ng mga nagagalit na bakit daw walang price. So, I usually leave my Viber and WhatsApp here. Kontakin niyo ako. Bye. Thank you.